Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about nutrition in animals. Yesterday we will discuss the nutrition process in plants. Now in animals how nutrition process take place. In a unicellular organism, a single cell is responsible for the nutrition process to take place. But in a multicellular organism, a digestive system works to nutrition process. Digestion in animals consists of the following steps to take place, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and last is the egestion. These steps are followed in a proper sequence. First one, in ingestion process, the food is intake by the body. In ingestion process, intake of food take place. In digestion process, the food which is intake by the body is broken down into simple substances, which are soluble in water. After that, third step, absorption of food take place. Absorption means digested food is now passed through the intestinal wall to the body cells. Blood cells. Digested food is then passed through the intestinal wall to the body cells. After the absorption of food, now assimilation. In this process, absorbed food is further taken by the body cells. In absorption, the digested food is passed through the intestinal walls to the bloodstream. After absorption, this absorbed food is further passed through the body cells. Absorbed food is now passed through the body cells. And after that, the digestion process takes place. In this process, the undigested matter is expelled out or removed out from the body in last step. These steps are followed in the nutrition process in animals. Here we will discuss about the nutrition process in amoeba and the nutrition process in humans. In amoeba, this process of nutrition is generally take place with the help of pseudopodia. In amoeba, the process of nutrition is take place due to pseudopodia. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. What is amoeba? Unicellular organism live in water and the mode of nutrition is the holozoic mode of nutrition. After that, these steps are followed. First is the ingestion. Food is ingested with the help of the pseudopodia. Amoeba takes its food with the help of a pseudopodia. For example, here food particle is present. Then the amoeba take its food by opening their body. Here pseudopodia is present and it capture this food. Means intake of food take place with the help of a pseudopodia. After that, digestion process means this pseudopodia take this food into the body and enters into the cytoplasm. Means now food is entered into the food vacuole. Food vacuole is present in the cytoplasm of the amoeba. And the process of digestion means breakdown into simple substances take place due to the presence of a cytoplasm in amoeba. After that, this absorbed food is further captured into the food vacuole and the process of absorption now take place. And in this absorption process, there is a simple diffusion take place and food vacuole disappear for some time because food gets captured into the body and size of the amoeba somehow become large as compared to first. After that, assimilation process take place. In this assimilation process, absorbed food in amoeba is used to get energy from the food and some undigested food is separate out and the last process of digestion take place and undigested food is thrown out through the body. This is the nutrition process in amoeba. Okay. After that, the nutrition process in humans how take place. In human is a multicellular organism, so human digestive system works. In this human digestive system, the nutrition process take place in two steps, that is alimentary canals and after that digestive glands. In alimentary canal, what is the alimentary canal? It is a long, hollow, tubular structure. Alimentary canal is a long, hollow, tubular structure consisting of various organs, such as first one is mouth, second one is buccal cavity. First one is mouth, second is the buccal cavity, third one is teeth, after that esophagus, stomach, esophagus, stomach, intestine and anus. These are the organs of the alimentary canal. First, mouth. Mouth is the organ in which food is taken. Means ingestion process take place in the mouth. Okay. After that, mouth opens into a chamber which is known as the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is that part in which mouth opens. At the floor of this cavity, thick muscular structure is present which is known as the tongue. At the floor means base part, floor of this buccal cavity, thick muscular structure is present which is known as the tongue. Okay, and roof of the buccal cavity is a hard plate occur. Hard plate occur. With the help of tongue, the process of swallowing, chewing and speaking take place. Human tongue having many taste buds. In human tongue, there are many taste buds take place, such as front part of the tongue detect the sweet taste. Front part detect the sweet taste, side part detect the sour and the salty, and the back part of our tongue detect about the bitter taste. Okay? After that, this taste, our food goes into chewing by our teeth. What is the role of teeth? Teeth helps in chewing of the food. There are different 4 types of teeth present in humans, that is incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and the molars. These are the 4 types of the teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisor teeth are used for cutting. Canines are used for tearing, and premolars and molars are used for grinding the substances or food into simple substances. Okay. After that, a human has get milk teeth at the about of age of 6 to 12 months. 10 or 12 months. These are the milk teeth. These are the milk teeth, which are 20 in number. That is dental formula 2102, 2102, 213 or 2 total 5 and 5. These are in upper jaw and these are in lower jaw. Half upper jaw and half lower jaw, sorry. And 10 or 10. Total is 20. These are the milk teeth. When we become 6 years, then these milk teeth are starts falling 6 to 12 years. And after that, permanent teeth, these are 32 in number. And the dental formula now become 2123, 2123. Means half in upper jaw and half in lower jaw. We get twice these and we get total 32 teeth. These are known as the permanent teeth. So digestion of starch starts from our mouth. After that, this process goes in oesophagus. Oesophagus is a food pipe. Oesophagus is just like a food pipe. Here, digestion process not take place. In oesophagus, in food pipe, the process of digestion does not occur. Okay. After that, on now stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag. Stomach is just like a J-shaped bag. And this is stomach on the left side of the abdomen. On the left side of the abdomen, and this stomach contains many glands on the inner wall of the surface. Many glands in the inner surface of its wall that secretes juice. Juice is secreted by the stomach. After that, intestine. There are 2 intestines present in human digestive system. Small intestine and large intestine. Small intestine is very large in size. It is about 6.5 meter long. Small intestine size is about 6.5 meter long. It has 3 parts, that is duodenum, jejunum or ileum. Duodenum, jejunum and ileum. These are the 3 parts of a small intestine. There are finger-like projections are also found in the small intestine, which are known as the villi. Small finger-like projections present on the small intestine. Villi increase the surface area of the absorption process. The absorption process starts in our small intestine. Where the absorption process takes place? In small intestine. And the size of the abdomen increases with the help of the villi. Villi are just finger-like projections present in the small intestine. After that, large intestine. Large intestine is only about 1.5 meter in length. From here, the undigested food material is passed to the anus through rectum. Passed to the anus through rectum. From a large intestine, the undigested food is passed to anus through rectum. And the process of digestion takes place with the help of anus. Last part of the digestive system which help in the digestion process is take place with the help of anus. Okay. After that, this is all about the alimentary canals. Now, we will discuss about the digestive glands. Digestive glands secretes just enzymes and hormones which are helpful in the process of digestion to take place. There is a secretion of hormones and enzymes take place in the digestive glands. There are mainly some digestive glands, that is, first one is salivary glands. First one is salivary glands, gastric gland, liver and pancreas. These are the some type of glands which secrete enzymes and hormones. There are three pairs of the salivary glands are found. Three pairs of the salivary glands are found, which secretes saliva. And saliva means lard. Saliva contains an enzyme. Saliva contains an enzyme which is known as the ptyalin, which is secreted by our salivary glands. Salivary amylase, or also known as the ptyalin. Okay. After that, gastric glands. These are present in the stomach and secrete hydrochloric acid. Gastric glands are present in the stomach, and in stomach hydrochloric acid is formed, which is secreted by the gastric glands. And after that, liver. Liver is the largest gland of the body. Which is the largest gland of the body? Liver. So, it secretes bile juice into small intestine. Liver secretes bile juice into small intestine. Process of liver secretion of bile juice take place into small intestine, and it helps in the emulsification of fats. Emulsification of fat occur in our liver. Okay. After that, the pancreas. Pancreas is like just below our stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag, and below the stomach, pancreas lie. It secretes pancreatic juice. It secreted pancreatic juice into small intestine. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice into small intestine, and this pancreatic juice contains many enzymes such as trypsin and pancreatic amylase. Trypsin and pancreatic amylase. Trypsin and pancreatic amylase. Okay students, this is about the digestive glands, that is salivary glands, gastric, liver and the pancreas. After that, the nutrition process in case of ruminants. Now, how the nutrition process take place in case of ruminants? What are ruminants? First, we will discuss about ruminants. Ruminants are the mammals that are able to acquire nutrients from the plants. Ruminants are the animals that are able to get nutrients from the plants, such as a cow. Cow is a ruminant animal. Here, the rumination process of cow, how take place, we will study. The process of chewing and re-chewing, and there is a formation of cud take place in the stomach of the cow. What is the cud? Cud is the substance, hard substance, which is formed by the cellulose in the stomach of the cow, and after when cow eating many grass, and when the cow sit, and the process of swallowing or retrieving take place in the body. Mainly digestion process in ruminants take after when they take rest and the cud form. There are the four compartment stomach in the ruminants. In ruminants, the stomach has mainly four compartments. Components, that is rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. These are the four compartments. In these compartments, the process of nutrition, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion takes place in case of ruminants. Okay students, so the complex substances such as carbohydrates, which are so strong, which are only retrieving by the ruminants, and the process of nutrition take place in ruminants. Ruminant stomach has these four components, that is rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Okay students, thanks a lot.